In this video, we listed the 5 best camera drone on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Xiaomi V168 Original GPS Drone. The Xiaomi V168 Professional Drone is a sophisticated aerial photography tool designed for both enthusiasts and professionals. Weighing for 50 g and with a maximum takeoff weight of 4 to 5 kilograms, this camera drone features an advanced 5G Wi-Fi connectivity allowing for live image transmission and impressive maximum resolution options up to 8K. It is equipped with a removable 2000 mAh LiPo battery, providing a flight time of 22 to 25 minutes, and boasts a remote control distance of up to 5,000 meters. The drone also incorporates a durable design with foldable arms for easy portability and is enhanced by features such as GPS positioning, altitude hold mode, and one-touch takeoff, landing functionality. With a camera capable of recording in 1080p, 4K, and 6K resolutions, along with a 10x optical zoom, the V168 is ideal for capturing high-quality aerial footage. Additional functionalities including waypoint flight modes and various flight speed levels enhance its usability, making it a versatile choice for users aged 14 and above. Number 2. Lenovo AE7 Drone. The product overview describes a versatile camera drone designed for both beginners and professionals, featuring a robust build that can handle wind speeds up to 46.2 km per hour, weighing 450 grams. It boasts a maximum takeoff weight of 2 to 3 kilograms and offers an impressive flight time of 25 minutes. The drone is equipped with an aerosol spraying system, a built-in display, and a comprehensive sensing system that ensures omnidirectional safety awareness. With connectivity options for remote control and app operation, it supports various languages and has a transmission range of up to 8 kilometers. The camera is capable of recording in multiple high-definition formats, including 8K video resolution, and is stabilized through optical and electronic systems for smooth performance. Designed with both educational and professional use in mind, it offers features such as one-key takeoff, trajectory flight, and advanced navigation for optimal usability. The package includes all necessary accessories such as a remote control, spare blades, and a storage bag, making it an all-inclusive option for aerial photography enthusiasts. Number 3. Lenovo Z101 Drone. The Lenovo Z101 Mini Drone is a compact and advanced UAV designed for photography enthusiasts and professionals alike, featuring an impressive 8K HD camera for stunning visuals and enhanced recording capabilities, including 4K and 6K options. Its foldable design ensures portability, making it easy to carry and store. Users can enjoy seamless control and high-speed data transfer through 5G technology, while advanced features like optical flow control and obstacle avoidance enhance safety and stability during flight. The drone boasts a maximum flight time of 25 to 35 minutes depending on the configuration, a robust sensing system with omnidirectional capabilities, and a 60x optical zoom lens for detailed aerial shots. With remote control functionality and a transmission range of up to 15,000 meters, it's suitable for various applications including aerial photography and videography. The package includes essential accessories for immediate use, making it a complete and user-friendly option for both novice and experienced drone operators. Number 4. Xiaomi E99 Pro RC Drone. The Xiaomi E99 Pro RC Drone quadcopter is a cutting-edge aerial photography device designed for both enthusiasts and professionals, featuring an impressive 8K professional camera that captures stunning images and videos in remarkable detail. With a robust 5G Wi-Fi FPV connection, users benefit from seamless control and real-time data sharing, enhancing the flying experience. The drone is equipped with a dual camera bracket for versatile shooting angles and an altitude hold function that provides stability even in challenging conditions. Featuring a reliable omnidirectional sensing system, the E99 Pro ensures safe navigation by detecting obstacles during flight. Its compact and foldable design makes it easy to transport, while its extended flight time allows for longer sessions exploring aerial photography. This drone also includes user-friendly features like one-key takeoff and landing, making it suitable for users of all skill levels. Safety precautions are emphasized with guidance on battery use, ensuring longevity and efficient performance. Number 5. Edward 2024 S13 Drone. The GUIG camera drone is a high-concerned chemical-resistant aircraft with a maximum wind speed resistance of less than 10 km per hour and a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kg. It is equipped with a 6K, 5780 by 2890, video maximum resolution camera for high-definition recording. The drone operates at a frequency of 2.4 GHz, weighs 600 g, and is designed for aerial photography. It does not have GPS, but it can be controlled via an app controller and has a flight time of 12 minutes. The camera features 6K HD video recording and is integrated into the drone. The GUIG drone is a reliable and efficient option for capturing stunning aerial footage.